Happy Sunday, happy another weekly outlook where we look at NASDAQ, which everybody pretty much right now has exactly the same expectations. With a question, when is NASDAQ starting to go higher? When is NASDAQ actually looking to go higher from this crash, from this annihilation of, what was it, 10% move almost? I'm Ignas from Daily Pips Trading and I'm gonna dive into that right away. Just prior to that, we're gonna take a look at the economic news calendar. Looking at the economic news calendar and how am I going to navigate this week, my eyesight right away goes to CPI releasing on Wednesday. Monday without news. I'm not looking to engage with the marketplace. I'm not looking to trade it. You can have even a longer weekend because we had just had NFP delivery on Friday, so you could have been taken 4 or 5 days off away from the marketplace. And this, don't look at the hours too much. At 10 in the morning, not PM, New York time, we have a little bit of news, so I'm gonna be looking if AM session is gonna be something that I can trade. If not, PM is gonna be focus point for me on Tuesday. Wednesday, the whole day I take it off. CPI releases on 8:30. If CPI delivery is good enough for me, I'm gonna be looking to engage with the marketplace in the AM session. And Thursday and Friday looks like a very generic days for us. It's gonna be full risk for me. I said something interesting here though. I said that if CPI is good enough for me. If you wanna know if the CPI is gonna be good for me, we have our Discord community where I talk about price, where I talk about trading every single day. If you're not there, you're missing out. And if you wanna be there, click the link down below in the description of this video. Looking at NASDAQ chart itself, I'm not gonna give you my expectations right away. I wanna go through the price action so you understand where it's coming from a little bit better. So starting with the very beginning, right? We're looking at an all-time highs right here where the marketplace has failed to go through here at 20,200, sadly, because this fair value gap, at least the remainder of the fair value gap, held off the price. And on the lower time frames also we had an SMT where an inside day on Wednesday trading has booked in, and then the rest is history in a way. We just started crashing lower. It was expected. I didn't expect that big of a crash, that sudden kind of a crash, but the matter is that fair value gaps here are holding in the price, and the marketplace has been finally able to take sell side away at 20,000, what was it, 250-ish, right? We've been looking for it, we've been tagging it for quite a while. We have relatively cool lows down here. I've been interested in that. And now what happened just most recently, right? Not only the sell side has been taken, we pushed back into the range, right? You see how this daily fair value gap holds in the price. But now we've broken below it on Thursday, and unfortunately for me, we never took sell side away from the marketplace. So you see how many things I just went through. I went through all-time highs and failure there. I went through how this daily fair value gap right here is holding in the price. I went through this daily inverse fair value gap that I'm still keeping on the chart as well, sell side below, and we're now exploring the relative equal lows. And my interest towards buy side in a way is limited up until the point that 19,731.75 is taken. So very short term, this is my expectation. I need this low to get pushed through, right? For the price to fully recover back to the all-time highs. But I'm gonna be watching this 4-hour chart that I want your guys' attention to go towards to this upcoming week. This is where most of my analysis is going towards to. This is where I'm gonna be spending most of my time because of these equal highs up above. So on the lower time frame, yes, I'll be interested. So let's put it this way. If I'm gonna be shorting, I'm gonna be shorting towards 19,731. If I'm gonna be going long, I'm gonna be looking to go long for 20,732.5, that double top up there. Yet, I'm gonna be doing something interesting. I'm gonna be marking the 50% level of this wick, and for me now, I'm gonna be measuring 19,952.5, 952.5. Let's do it ish, it's fine, because this is the higher time frame. 1 minute chart will not matter that much how deep into that range we go. But I'm gonna be watching this 50% level, and I'm gonna be expecting the marketplace to come back into it, push away, and run towards that double top. Okay, so for me this upcoming week is a little bit hard to navigate, I'll be fair with you guys, but I'm gonna be watching this 50 percentile of the week. If the marketplace is able to find a bottom here and starts running higher, I'm gonna be looking for the double top to be kind of delivered for us, right? If we start falling below 19,953, I'm gonna be watching lower prices and lower prices only. This is gonna be it from me today. I'm keeping it actually very short for you guys. I very much hope you enjoy this, and if you do, leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel. I very much appreciate every single engagement on your end, and I'm gonna leave you to it, guys. This is gonna be a very interesting week. CPI on Wednesday, keep that in mind, and I'm gonna see you next time. Till the next Sunday. Bye bye.